The Internet of Everything, or Internet of Things. We keep hearing funny acronyms that pitch up in our daily lives. We try and make sense of what these really mean. The Internet has been around for a long time, and the concept of the Internet of Things must probably started with Brauer many years ago when they wanted to do some sensing devices, being able to pick up what's happening in your fridge to tell if you've run out of milk or not. That is really what the roots of where the Internet of Things really started many years ago. Of course, this has changed a lot. When we really look at the Internet of Things, we start looking at how we're using our mobile phones today and what do they communicate with. And we look at the 4G technologies, which is really TCP/IP based type of technologies. And we also need to maybe look at the differentiation of LTE versus 4G, and I know a bit of marketing does disrupt and change that. LTE is dragging the old technology, which is actually being killed by the new technology, which is the real 4G, 5G, 6G, and even 7G technologies, which have got tremendous speeds. But when we start talking about the Internet of Things, we start thinking, well, where can we make use of these type of technologies? Well, maybe one of the easy ways is looking at the automation of plants, as in manufacturing plants, where we have a process and something goes wrong somewhere in this plant, and normally there's human intervention that has to go and say, okay, something has gone wrong and we need to fix things. But let's look at the line that's actually happening. Things are coming in quickly, somewhere along the process things are slowing down. Now there's going to be a terrific bottleneck unless something manually or automatically happens. Now the Internet of Things says a machine to a machine can actually get this process to understand something's gone wrong somewhere, and we can slow things down, we can place some orders somewhere, and we can get the actual manufacturing process not to be disrupted, rather slowed down and sped up, machine to machine. So Internet of Things is more about machine to machine. But over time what we do see as well is that machine to human interface starts happening more and more. Maybe we'll stick a USB into our heads one of these days in the future and be able to upload, download and share things. And by the way, that's not too far away. People are already working on things like that. But really, Internet of Things, more communication, billions of devices globally being able to communicate, sharing information and gathering this information. We could maybe also just look at traffic flows that are happening on our highways, where there's regulation that happens of the flow of the traffic. Can we redirect traffic? Can we redirect traffic before you get to the bad spot? At the moment what we do see in our traffic is that we drive up and now we get a warning that the road is congested, but you're sitting in the traffic already by the time you get the warning. And I know some of the Garmin type devices are already giving you early warning rather to take a different route, but that is coming as a consequence of the Internet of Things. I know I've just briefly touched on this. It's a broad topic, but we can expect a lot more to come as we really embrace 4G type technologies going forward and the applications going down to multiple and billion devices.